Hey everyone, today I thought I'd just show you all the Back to the Future items I have, because I have quite a few and I thought they'd be cool to share. So here we go. So first and foremost, I have this 1/15th scale DeLorean time machine. I'll be honest with you, I have played with it before. It's really fun, it's really cool, and the inside is like really accurate to the movie. So I thought that's really cool. Second, I have these pennies here, and this one, sorry, one second. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Sorry, I can't get it to focus, but that one's from 1955, the year Marty goes in the past, and this one's from 2015, the year Marty goes in the future. Here's my Pepsi Perfect. I just unboxed this the other day. There's that. Here I have my 30th anniversary trilogy, Blu-ray and digital HD. Over here I have my Doc Brown and Marty action figures, and it comes with the DeLorean remote that controlled it when Einstein was in it, and it comes with his skateboard. Okay. Behind them, I have the Back to the Future animated series, the full series. Behind the Pepsi Perfect, I have the Out of Time license plate. This is actually a real license plate. It's really cool. Back here, I have the Back to the Future 25th anniversary trilogy with Blu-ray and digital copy. And behind that, I have the special edition USA Today from October 22nd, 2015. So yeah, those are oh wait, sorry. Behind there, I have my Back to the Future almanac that I got for Christmas. And there are all my items. Comment below what Back to the Future items you have, and yeah, I'll see you next time. I think tomorrow I'm getting Crystal Pepsi. I'm very excited to try it, and I will see you then. So thank you and goodbye.